Uses of vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins are essential organic compounds that the body needs in small amounts for various metabolic processes, growth, and development. They are vital nutrients that the body cannot produce or can't produce in sufficient quantities and must obtain through diet. What are the types of vitamins? Vitamins are classified into two main categories: fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Let's discuss them in details. First, we will discuss the fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins that dissolve in fats and are stored in the body's fatty tissues and liver. The four fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. They play crucial roles in various bodily functions like vision, bone health, blood clotting, and cell protection. Here's a more detailed look. Vitamin A. It is essential for vision, cell growth, and immune function. Its sources include fortified milk, dairy, egg yolks, and dark orange or green vegetables. Vitamin D. It plays a vital role in calcium absorption and bone health. Sunlight exposure, fortified milk, dairy, fatty fish, and egg yolks are good sources. Vitamin E. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. It is found in leafy green vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and vegetable oils. Vitamin K. It is important for blood clotting and bone health. Leafy green vegetables, and those produced by intestinal bacteria, are good sources. Now we will discuss the water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are a group of vitamins that dissolve in water and are not stored in the body for extended periods. They need to be replenished regularly through diet. The main water-soluble vitamins include all B vitamins and vitamin C. Here's a more detailed look. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is an essential water-soluble vitamin that the human body cannot produce, requiring it to be obtained through diet or supplements. It functions as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, and it is crucial for immune system support, collagen formation, and wound healing. Good sources include fruits like oranges and strawberries, and vegetables such as peppers and broccoli. Vitamin B. B vitamins are a group of 8 essential, water-soluble vitamins. B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. That the body doesn't store, requiring daily dietary intake to maintain health. They are crucial for converting food into energy, supporting the nervous system, and forming red blood cells. B vitamins can be found in foods like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy, leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals. The 8 types of B vitamins, often collectively called the B complex, are thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folate, or folic acid, B9, cobalamin, B12. We will discuss them one by one. Vitamin B1, thiamine. B1 thiamine is essential for transforming carbohydrates from food into energy for the body. It supports the proper functioning of the nervous system, brain, and heart. It helps with nerve signal conduction, muscle contractions, and the production of ATP, the molecule that provides energy for cells. You can get thiamine from foods like whole grains, meat, nuts, and legumes. Vitamin B2. Riboflavin. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, benefits your health by converting food into energy, producing adenosine triphosphate, ATP, for cellular fuel. It also acts as an antioxidant to protect cells, supports healthy skin. And it helps maintain vision, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Additionally, riboflavin is essential for normal growth, development, and proper functioning of the immune system. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, sources include dairy products, organ meats, lean meats, eggs, green vegetables, nuts, legumes, and fortified foods like breads and cereals. Vitamin B3. Niacin. The body uses niacin to turn food into energy. It helps keep the nervous system, digestive system, and skin healthy. As a supplement, niacin may help lower cholesterol, ease arthritis, and boost brain function, among other benefits. Niacin, vitamin B3, is found in a variety of foods, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, legumes, and fortified cereals. Animal-based foods, such as beef, pork, chicken, and fish, like tuna and salmon, are particularly rich sources. Vitamin B5. Pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid, or vitamin B5, is an essential water-soluble vitamin, vital for energy production, the synthesis of coenzyme A, hormones, and the breakdown of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. It is found in a wide range of animal and plant foods like meat, eggs, milk, avocados, and whole grains, therefore its deficiency is rare. It plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Though severe deficiency can lead to symptoms like numbness, fatigue, and gastrointestinal issues. Vitamin B6. Pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is needed for the proper function of sugars, fats, and proteins in the body. It's also necessary for the development of the brain, nerves, skin, and many other parts of the body. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include fish, like salmon and tuna, poultry, chicken and turkey, meat, especially beef liver, potatoes and starchy vegetables, non-citrus fruits, like bananas and avocados, legumes, such as chickpeas, nuts and seeds, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B7, biotin. Biotin is one of the 8B complex vitamins, acting as a vital cofactor for certain enzymes. It plays a critical role in energy metabolism, helping the body break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Biotin supports the healthy functioning of the nervous system, liver, eyes, hair, and skin. Biotin deficiency can cause thinning of the hair and a rash on the face. Foods rich in biotin, vitamin B7, include egg yolks, organ meats, like liver, nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, legumes, like peanuts and lentils, and certain vegetables, including sweet potatoes, spinach, mushrooms, and cauliflower. Vitamin B9. Folate or folic acid. Folate, vitamin B9, is essential for producing red blood cells, making and repairing DNA, and is crucial for the development of a baby's brain and spinal cord. Folate naturally occurs in foods like leafy greens, beans, and fruits. All women capable of becoming pregnant are advised to take 400 micrograms of folic acid daily to help prevent neural tube defects. Vitamin B12. Cobalamin. Cobalamin, also known as vitamin B12, is a water-soluble vitamin crucial for various bodily functions, including nerve cell health, red blood cell formation, and DNA synthesis. It's primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy. Deficiency can lead to anemia and neurological problems.